An easy and manageable IQ option strategy using the Pipgems chart scanner that has delivered positive results over time, thanks to advanced AI responsiveness and its algorithm for detecting possible trend reversals. As we can see, it delivers perfect results, but must have to manage risk since AI also makes mistakes. Trading involves risk and past results does not guarantee future results. Set the candle timeframe to 10 seconds and apply Bollinger Bands with a period of 12 and a deviation of 3. Next we will scan on good charting pairs or a smooth flow. What we trade is on a Blitz, with 1 minute expiration time and a $20 per entry. Let's scan using Share X Chart Scanner, then immediately upload it to the Pipgems AI scanner. And as we can see, we have put trading prediction based on AI analysis. Then let's don't hesitate and follow the AI's prediction. As per AI key observation, the Heiken Ashi candles are predominantly red, indicating a downward trend. And also for the price is trending downwards and has broken below the middle Bollinger Bands, suggested continued bearish momentum. We got winning trade on that. Let's try to trade with another session using the AI chart scanner. Maybe we will continue this trend here, and as we can see on the chart, it is smooth chart going down. Let's scan and upload to Pipgems AI scanner to analyze whether to trade up or down. Our AI prediction is on uptrend. And let's don't hesitate and follow the AI's prediction. Our AI key observation is, price is currently touching the lower Bollinger Band, suggesting a potential bounce. And Heiken Ashi candles showing small body and some bullish signs. The recent downward trend appears to be losing momentum. So, our trading configuration is this: the IQ option chart and our Pipgems AI chart configuration must be sync. Our chart type must be Heiken Ashi, with the candle time frame of 10 seconds, with a target trade duration of 1 minute. And also let's add notes for the AI to analyze Bollinger Bands with a period of 12 and a deviation of 3. Let's wait for our result to finish. And got winning trade on that. Support us and see the rest of the video for more insights on how to perform this trading strategy using the AI chart scanner.